Let's review how OCP-hosted applications are managed in the project lifecycle. As you can see here, each application is assigned to a group and is visible to members of that group only. A typical workflow is to transition from the development version to UAT and then to the production version of the application. Generally, production, UAT, and development are under different groups to better manage group membership and user rights. Most customers want to control access to the production application and define who can monitor production calls. Normally, once the dev application is ready and approved, it would be copied to the UAT group, and then later from UAT to the production group. So to do that, you just click here, select Duplicate, and you can provide the same name and assign it to the respective group. Hit Create, and your application is ready. Now here you can see the options to import and export the configuration files. This allows you to keep backups and versioning of your application and track changes using any repository of your choice. You can also import the file to roll back at any time or update another version of the app. These files can also be downloaded via API if desired. Alternatively, you can use the OCP dashboard to access all deployed versions of the application. You can choose to download the source files or deploy any one of them to roll back at any time. There is also an option to update and roll back the NLU models alone. Go to the NLU tab, and you can manage all versions of the NLU model. You can export the training file used to create the model. You can also change the model that you are using by selecting it in the NLU app linked to the application bot. You can also configure automated tests between the different stages using OCP's Testing Studio, which is demonstrated in the Analytics and Testing demo. If Testing Studio is used, your approval workflow would be to build your application in development, run automated tests, pass them to get approval to promote to UAT, rerun your test suite in UAT, get approval from the stakeholders, promote to production, and finally, to run smoke tests.